Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a just pretty quick video. It's just some simple decoration, a brush embroidery and edible lace for some cookies. Since it's still technically the week of Valentine's, I went with hearts. Obviously this can be made into any style cookie. First thing you're going to want to do is flood your cookie and let that dry so it's nice and firm and dry. Once your icing is all set and firm and dry, you're going to want to take some piping royal icing. So it's going to be on the stiffer side. And you're going to, you can either do kind of like a dotted line or just do dots for the brush embroidery. And then once you have that into the outline of your shape, you're going to want to take a damp to wet brush. You don't want it like dripping water, but you want it wet more than dry. But again, you don't want it dripping wet. And you're just going to pull the icing down. Then you're going to go back and you're going to do your next section and then pull that with the brush and dot. I did like a floral design, and then I went ahead and did a leaf design, and of course you do your center line to accent the leaf, and then I just added some dots. This is just real quick making the edible lace. If you want a more in-depth look at the edible lace, I will make a separate video for that with a different mold, because this mold, it was super pretty, but it was not the best to work with since it had such fine detail for the lace. it was extremely fragile. Again, super pretty, but extremely fragile, so I would definitely not recommend it for a beginner. But I just wanted pieces of the flowers. I didn't want like full sections. I just wanted to do a little bit on the cookies, so it did end up working out pretty nicely. But again, if you want me to do a tutorial on the edible lace alone, just leave that in the comments. So once I just got the edible lace out, I went ahead and just used some water on the cookie and positioned it where I liked it on the cookie. I did have some sections where you could see a little bit of the edible lace in the sections where you didn't need any, so just the wet brush dissolved that right up and fixed it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little decorating video. This wasn't a super tutorial video, but quick little decorating video. But I hope you liked it. If so, make sure to smash the like button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you in the next video. Live, love, eat sweets.